Okay, well there's day 2 of the Seafoam treatment, and you can see I've got a little funnel there and it runs down. It's full of Seafoam, pure Seafoam, down to the fuel pump. Now that gets pumped into, this is day 2, so I've already done it once. That gets pumped into the carburettors. I've got the plug caps off and the carburetor bleed valve is just behind that pipe, actually down in there. And I've got that one, bled the carby a little bit to get the spare, make sure the thing was full of fuel. And around this side you can see it much clearer in there somewhere. There it is, just up the top left there. And I've got the plug caps off. I squirted some carby cleaner down the holes, down the spark plug holes, just a little bit. Don't think it actually needs much. New plugs, and I'll leave that sit now till tomorrow when I'll put it all back together again, and hopefully it'll be clear.